Here I have ULEFONE Armor 5S, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback on this device. So firstly, you'll have to open Settings, then go to the Intelligent Assistants, System, then go to the Accessibility, then to the Text-to-Speech Out. No, this is not the Talkback. Here you have Talkback. Here you can enable this service. Tap OK.
Talkback on. Talkback is a screen reader primarily for people with blindness.
Here you have the Talkback tutorial.
With the device Talkback tutorial. Back button.
And that's how Talkback works.
Talkback. Navigate up button. Double tap to activate. Navigate up button. Accessibility. Talkback on. Talkback.
And that's how you
Switch.
disable it.
On. Switch. Alert stop talk. OK button. Talkback off.
And that's how you can do it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.